that water thingy.
What's that? So then we can all stand over here. Unless is this good?
No, you press bake, and it just turns on at 350 automatically. Wait, check if there's anything in there. How many one will it bake?
You love bro.
Nothing. Okay, now to pour the 1/2 cup of oil. Oh no, I'm gonna mix it. What? Is that the microphone? No, she's tired.
That is the
Guys, you do realize for the past like 2 weeks, or since cheer camp, we've been waking up at like 6 in the morning.
Here?
You look emo.
No, I'm not. I'm really tired too, so
I would put it on the table so you can get it. Good. I literally I think I slept with my eyes open.
Why does it look like clear? Usually.
Yeah, why is
So basically, I'm not.
Iris, it's like a 1/2 cup.
It says, yeah. It is
Half a cup. Oh wait,
I got the table.
That's okay.
What baking's about.
Talking. You're the one that's looking forward to the thunder.
And afterwards, into the flame.
She's behind me.
When burning, I cried because I heard.
Guys, we're gonna go in the rain.
Guys, we have to be quiet though. Okay, we have to throw this away. I'm gonna get struck by lightning. Can you close the door behind you? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Somebody hold this.
I'm actually very scared.
I'm not.
Look, the lightning looks so bright and it's close.
That's how it looks when
No, look at that.
That's how it looks.
I'm actually very scared.
It looks like Wemo.
What?
No, I'm actually not even kidding. It looks so close. Guys, if you're wondering, we just got off 3 tornadoes, so. Okay. Stop it! He walked me! I thought you walked me out.
I swear I heard some guy's voice. Am I tweaking?
I was talking.
Probably my game.
Okay, I'm muted. I thought someone yelled at you to get inside or something.
We smelled a burning smell, so we went inside for a little bit, but it calmed back down a little bit. So we're back out. I don't know if this is very aesthetic. Guys, I went on that swing and it was so fun. Right now, I'm on a swingy thingy. But yeah, seems a lot safer now. Yeah, last time this happened, Mila tried to jump me and I was walking up and down the streets. So that's aesthetic. It does feel really safe.
Spread it up back like the baby.
Not again. Walk. Guys, I farted on Mila 9 times. One,
Ready?
2,
Ready? I'm gonna
3, 4.
I'm gonna model walk. Ready? Walk.
Spread it open. And lightning's right when he went down. Wait, okay, I'm gonna check the time. 3:30 a.m. on the dot.
Oh yeah, it's Sienna. He's not answering because it's 3:30 in the morning.
I feel like we should stay up for another hour. Just
Wait,
to, like,
what the hell? I just realized it's 3:30 in the freaking morning. So you're telling me people are really up at this time?
my grandpa wakes up around this time.
What the hell? How do you wake up that early?
I don't know, I wake up at like 2 p.m. Okay, well, I kind of want more cake, so let's go inside. More cake. Oh wow, that was a big one. I keep chasing that same old devil.
Exactly. I can't do like.
And that's what take it back 4. I want to go back out, guys.
Same.
Oh. My phone isn't catching
We
it.
have the new one with the baby out.
Guys, we're watching Peppa Pig, but you can't really see it. eating Milo's gummy bears. Okay, this is like walking alone. Oh my days.